Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by backing up data from OneDrive and local folders so nothing is lost. Sign in now and confirm you have a separate administrator or local account. You need that to keep using the PC. Also check subscriptions, Xbox, Office, and payment info tied to the Microsoft account and jot them down. Once done, remove or transfer licenses and unlink devices so you won't be locked out later. These steps prevent accidental service loss. Next, you switch Windows to a local or alternative admin account and sign in there. This ensures you retain control after removal. Go to Settings, Accounts, Email, and Accounts and remove the Microsoft account from Sign-in options. Then in your info, choose to sign in with a local account. After that, open Account. Microsoft. COM and unlink devices, delete saved payment methods, and cancel or transfer subscriptions so the account can be closed cleanly. Finally, start the formal closure at Account. Microsoft. COM by verifying your identity and selecting Close Account. Microsoft places it in a recovery state for 60 days to avoid accidental loss. Make sure you mark Calendar for the final deletion date and remove any remaining security info or app passwords. If the closure is blocked, check for active subscriptions, pending refunds, or family links. Resolve billing items and sign out devices. If you still run into issues, recheck admin rights and retry the unlinked steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.